If our brothers are so special, why a Rakhi should be ordinary? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rakshabandhan is coming soon, so I decided to come up with some DIY Rakhi ideas. I have made 2 videos, so welcome to part 1. So without wasting time, let's begin.
For this Rakhi, we need hard cardboard, glitter papers, beads, lace, ribbons, cutout shapes, Fevicol and some other materials. First, we'll cut out circular shape from the cardboard. Now take some glitter papers of different colors and cut out 2 star shapes from it. Also cut circular shape of earlier cardboard size from which we made the base. Stick round glitter cutout on cardboard and then both star shapes on it. These glitter sheets have lost their stickiness, so I am applying glue on them. And our base is ready. To decorate it, we will use some beads. Stick one bigger bead in the center and smaller beads on the corners of the top star. To enhance this, we'll attach lace on side of the base with the help of glue. In the end, take ribbon of around 25 to 30 cm and stick the base at the center of the ribbon. Make sure it properly gets attached. Ta-da! Our first Rakhi is ready. Chalo, let me know in the comment box how it is. Moving on to the next one. Materials we required are circular cardboard cutout and circular glitter cutouts of 2 colors. Take circular cutouts and cut them into 2 halves. Also make another flower cutout to stick in the center. We also need some beads to decorate a base. First take the cardboard base and start sticking glitter cutouts as shown with glue or glue gun. Make the whole circle this way. And the base structure is ready. Now stick flower cutout on top of it. Stick one bead at the center. To decorate our base, we will use some more beads. Stick them with the help of glue gun. Woohoo! It is looking pretty. As shown earlier, we'll stick a ribbon to the base. Yay! A second Rakhi is done. Which do you like the most, the first or second? Please tell me in the comments.
So how was it? Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for part 2 and more content. Bye bye.